It's me, Señorita Melbae. Hi Lingings! Welcome back to my channel. And today, I'm here in Malapascua Island. And I'm staying here at Blue Corals Resort. So tara, join me as I give you a tour. Langgings, this is what to expect when you book your stay here at Blue Corals Resort, Malapascua Island. So we booked this room through Agoda for only 3,726. Good for 3 persons. Included na ang breakfast for 3. And additional person is 500 pesos. So it's only a fan room. And let's go to the bathroom. So you can see there's a hot and cold shower, the toilet bowl, the sink, mirror. And here, there's a cabinet for your stuff. And here, a powder area. So I guess if you are planning to come to Malapascua and looking for a place to stay, which is really cheap and then it's cozy and clean, so book here at Blue Corals Resort. So you can reach them through Agoda or through their Facebook page. And I will show you, we got the best view for the sunrise. Look at the beach. This is the Bounty Beach in Malapascua Island. This is perfect for me. It's the reception area. And the mini bar. And the restaurant. So we'll be having our breakfast. What's for breakfast? Char. You for breakfast? So this is mine. American breakfast. Filipino. there's a bar here where you can chill by the beach. It's the views. It's perfect just to chill or hang out with your friends. That's all for today's vlog langgings. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe, at hit mo na rin ang bell button para updated ka sa bagong videos ko. Char! This has been Señorita Melbae saying, do what makes you happy, because happiness is always a choice. Bye!